Ignition. We have liftoff.
Rezolve AI. Look at this, 12% after hours. I mean, let's make it 13%. What a awesome day for Rezolve AI. The market was red across the board, but don't fear. Don't fear. We have Rezolve AI, and it is a rocket ship, up 13%, 14% today. Now, looking at the 5-day chart, this was the time to get in. When it dumped yesterday, this is where we need to get. This is where if somebody wants to start a new position, I think it's somewhere around 6. It did hit 554, somewhere around there intraday yesterday. I saw that drop live when I was watching it. Looking at the 1-month chart, it wants to go to 10. We need to get to 10. All the short positions are closing in anticipation of October 1st. This is going to be Rezolve's first earnings call since April, and the first real chance to get guidance on their progress towards 70 million annual recurring revenue. And we'll hear how close they are to. They keep talking about the 100 million mark, so which I suspect they've already exceeded, given how often they highlighted it in the recent PRs. But if that's the case, I'd expect them to reset expectations so the announcement lands with more impact, and we'll also get forward guidance for 2026 as well. I was looking at their customer list on their website here. Let's go down here, and I was seeing some new companies down here. There's Liverpool, of course, but yeah, their customer list is growing. And, as far as guidance, we should also hear first guidance on their professional services division, which when it will generate revenue and kind of what the targets are, and add that to the details on their recent acquisition and the impact of Group Buy, which they acquired. I think it was in March. Now that 6 months has passed, so we'll get an update on that. Oh, there's Omaha Steaks. BJ's Target is now on the list, folks. This is new. Target is now on their list. So there's also potential for surprise announcements, new partnerships, undisclosed contracts, updates on their Bitcoin treasury, or progress on Tether. And how the stock is going to react, it's anybody's guess, but the upside potential feels strong. Enough that I don't see much downside risk, but I don't know. Our CEO Dan, he is he's playing buoyant. He's a serial entrepreneur. He talks a lot. He talks a big game. So if he disappoints, he disappoints, we're dropping. We're all cooked. He's cooked. We're all cooked. We're dropping 80-90%. Who knows? But I am. I don't know what you're doing, but I'm in. I'm in it to win it. I'm hoping this rides. I think we're going to be over 10 here soon. Of course, none of this is investment advice, and the price action is speculative. So the founder and chief executive officer, Daniel Wagner, he's going to be participating in, I think I found it here. Where was it? No. Yeah, here it is. So our founder and chief executive officer, Daniel Wagner, he will be participating in a fireside chat on at the 3rd annual Roth AI Summit on Wednesday, September 24th. That is tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend, and actually I won't even be able to attend virtually because I'll be on an airplane. But now remember, Dan is not speaking for fun tomorrow. He's going to speak to retail one last time and invite them to invest before the big money shows up. And so this might be the last chance before big gains after October 1st. And looking at the Roth, the 3rd annual AI Summit 2025, who else is going to be on the docket? Well, today it was Blue Owl Capital. Tomorrow it is Pony AI is there. Plus AI is there. Everybody with a company name with AI at the end is going to be there. We're talking about robo-taxis, delivery of robots, robo-trucks. Dan Wagner that's our man, Rezolve AI. We'll have Red Cloud Tech, Well, SoundHound AI is going to be in the house. You all know SoundHound. Who else is going to be there? Artificial Analysis will be there. And just looking through here, Lux Capital, TPG Global, Think Plus Ventures. So tomorrow's going to be an exciting day. I'll watch the replay later, but really excited. Now, the 4 things that I want to see happen. Let me look at my notes here. This is my dream situation. This is what I'm hoping for. If somehow this is possible, I could see ourselves October 1st, pre-market, up something crazy like 50%, something really nuts if they hit all these targets. I could also see ourselves down 80% if they only hit 1 out of these 4, or they don't hit any. But here's my dream scenario. Annual recurring revenue targets, I would love to see them hit around 120 million for 2025. Guidance was at that, they were talking about 70, but they also talked about 100 million. That would be a nice beat. Anything higher is better. So just higher than 100. Profitability. Management has said profitability comes in around 90 million ARR. So I want to see clear progress toward that. Keep in mind, ARR isn't fully realized right away. So actual profitability lines up closer to the end of the next year. 2026 guidance. I want to see at least 150% growth versus what they actually deliver in 2025. If they land at 120 million ARR this year, I'd love to see at least 180 million new ARR in 2026. And lastly, big names. They got to announce some new flagship contracts. Of course, we know Liverpool. I think Target is now on the list here. So they might talk about Target tomorrow. We know about Dunkin' Donuts. You can look on their website and see all the players, all the partners. But more clients of kind of this higher caliber would be incredible. Well, we're getting closer. I don't think we're going to be touching down to that 550 mark again. I think we're going to 10 and way above. So hold on for the ride. Be careful with your money. Yes, I'm really excited. We'll see what happens. Take care. Bye.